Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your C3 card to your bank account, step by step and updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the C3 card app on your phone and log into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Step 2. On the home screen, look for the Transfer or Send Money option and tap it. Step 3. Select Transfer to Bank Account from the list of options. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check it to avoid mistakes. Step 5. Input your bank account details. This includes your bank name, account number, and routing number or IBAN, depending on your region. Step 6. Confirm all details carefully, then tap Submit or Transfer. Step 7. You may be asked to enter a security code or verify via SMS or email. Complete this step to authorize the transfer. Step 8. Wait for the confirmation message. Transfers can take a few minutes to a few business days depending on your bank. And that's how you transfer money from your C3 card to your bank account quickly and securely. If this guide helped you, hit like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.